Pomegranate juice is a nutrient-rich beverage that offers various health benefits. Here are some of the potential benefits of drinking pomegranate juice. 1. Antioxidants. Pomegranate juice is a potent source of antioxidants, particularly polyphenols such as anthocyanins, tannins, and ellagic acid. These antioxidants help combat free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and protecting cells from damage. 2. Heart. Studies suggest that pomegranate juice may promote heart health by improving cholesterol levels. It may lower LDL, bad, cholesterol and raise HDL, good, cholesterol, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease and atherosclerosis. 3. Blood pressure. Regular consumption of pomegranate juice has been associated with a reduction in systolic blood pressure. This can be beneficial for individuals with hypertension or high blood pressure. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants in pomegranate juice also have anti-inflammatory effects, which may be helpful in reducing inflammation and related conditions. 5. Memory. Some studies have suggested that pomegranate juice might have positive effects on memory and cognitive function. The antioxidants may help protect the brain against oxidative damage, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 6. Digestion. Pomegranate juice is a good source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut. It can help alleviate digestive issues and maintain regular bowel movements. 7. Joint health. Pomegranate juice's anti-inflammatory properties may benefit individuals with joint pain or arthritis, as it could potentially reduce inflammation and associated discomfort. 8. Cancer. While research is ongoing, some studies have shown that the antioxidants in pomegranate juice may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain cancers, especially breast and prostate cancers. 9. Skin. The high antioxidant content in pomegranate juice can contribute to healthier skin by protecting it from UV damage, promoting collagen production, and aiding in skin repair. 10. Immune system. The vitamin C content in pomegranate juice can help strengthen the immune system, making it better equipped to fight off infections and illnesses. Despite these potential benefits, it's essential to remember that pomegranate juice, like any fruit juice, contains natural sugars and calories. Therefore, moderation is key to avoid excessive sugar intake, which can have negative effects on health, especially for individuals with diabetes or those trying to manage their weight. As with any dietary changes or supplements, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating pomegranate juice into your regular diet. Particularly if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications that might interact with its components.